everyone. So I want to share on how to design radar chart using Microsoft Excel. So here I'm using Microsoft Excel 365 version. So here I have data for company net income in 2019. So I have the net income for January, for example, 77 million USD, and the company net income for December is 93 million USD. So I want to draw the chart for this net income. So first we need to select the data and then we click on insert menu. Then you go for this all chart, see all charts, click, and this inbox will appear. So here we have recommended charts and all charts. So click on all charts, and here we have many type of chart, for example column, line, bar, area. So here we select the radar type, and under radar type we have three type of suggestion. For example, here we want radar with markers, so you click on radar with markers option, then click on OK. So it will appear here. So let's say I want to replace this blue dot, which is the data, with other symbol. So I just click somewhere here. For example, I click on here, I click on insert, I click on symbol. After that, I want to insert symbol. For example, we can choose webdings. Okay, for example here webdings. So let's say I want to use this symbol, spider symbol. After you select, then click on insert, then close. So here we have this spider symbol. So here we just copy and you paste. For example, I paste here, right click, and here paste special. You select this paste picture. Okay, and I have here. So here maximize it a bit so you can adjust. So here I want to crop. For example, here I go to format menu, then I choose click on crop. So here I can crop so that I can get the better resolution or better image. Then here I click on crop. So I have here the symbol of spider. So let's say I want to move the spider here and replace all the blue dots in this radar chart. So first you need to copy this image, then you click on the object here. Okay, then you have the blue dots, all blue dots are highlighted here. For example, January, February, March, they are all highlighted. Then you just press Ctrl V. Okay, so you can see all the blue dots is replaced by this symbol spider. So here you can have a new symbol, which is the spider symbol, which is represent the net income for a company for each month. So here you can edit the font here, you can edit the size, and so on. Same goes to the month. Let's say you want to highlight, you have to change the color, and so on. So let's say the spider here, you want to change type, also can, the color, the size, and so on. So here you can try by using many type of symbol, and here I just show simple step how to use spider symbol to replace the blue dot. Thank you.